After spending a year in Sri Lanka, I've discovered the vibrant flavours of its cuisine and its deep connection to the land, history and community. Each dish tells a story, and living amongst locals, attending traditional festivals and sharing meals with families has enriched my appreciation of the culinary art. This immense experience has allowed me not just to learn about the food itself, but about the cultural significance behind each meal. I hope my experience can be passed on to you. Please enjoy. Sri Lanka is a vibrant culinary paradise that tantalizes your taste buds with a wide array of dishes featuring succulent meats and fresh fish. However, it's not just carnivores that will find delight here. Vegans and vegetarians are equally spoiled. An impressive selection of plant-based recipes are available throughout the country, from hearty dals, fragrant curries and savoury vegetable stir-fries, and of course, coconut sambal. There's something to please every palate. Today we'll be making a dry fry potato. I just want to show you some regular or common spices for Sri Lankan cooking. So let's take a look at the top there. We've got some crushed chili, turmeric, chili powder, gorica. Gorica is a dried fruit, a little bit like tamarind. That's used as a souring kind of agent. Good for chicken and meat, and especially for fish. Goes in lots of curries. Cloves, mustard seeds, fenugreek or methi seeds, cinnamon. Of course, cinnamon in Sri Lanka is grown here. It's absolutely wonderful. Rampa or pandam leaves, curry leaves, and then curry powders. Very common. You get a light and a roasted. The roasted kind of goes in a little bit near the end usually. It's got a lovely, wonderful, just roasted flavour to it. And the common one there is the kind of base. But yeah, these are kind of not all the spices used in Sri Lanka, but very, very common. The most kind of common ones, I would say. Okay. Okay, this is simple and absolutely delicious. We're going to get some potatoes, about 4 cups in total. We're going to peel them. We're going to half boil them, just give them like 3 or 4 minutes only. We're going to boil them in some salt and some turmeric. That's all we're going to do. Then we're going to set them aside, and then we can look at some other beautiful ingredients for this dish. Really, really tasty. So we're also going to need 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, chili powder, and chili flakes. And for some whole seeds, we're going to use, again, 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds and some very famous, of course, Sri Lankan cinnamon. A little bit of fresh curry leaves and pandam leaves, also known as rampa. A tiny amount, like a 1/4 cup, really, of onion, not too much, just sliced. Again, a sliced tomato. Fresh chili to taste, entirely up to you. Just slit them down the center there. And then you can see most of our ingredients right there. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so the first step is we're going to fry off the potatoes. There's maybe sort of 6 tablespoons of oil there. We're going to drop them in on a nice high heat, and we're going to throw them around in that nice hot oil for maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Give them a little kind of golden brownness, you know what I mean? Then simply what I'm going to do is reduce the oil down from that, as you can see. So we're left with about maybe 2 tablespoons now. Then we're going to start adding some ingredients. We're going to go with the black mustard seeds and the cinnamon. The pandam leaves and the curry leaves. And that tiny amount of onion. You could add more onion if you wanted. You could also, if you want, put some garlic and ginger in this, but I'm not going to. We're going to stir fry this around on a high heat pretty much all the way here for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just want to soften the onions a little bit. Simply, we're going to get in the chili flakes, the chili powder, the salt and the pepper. Again, we're going to stir fry that around. High heat. Keep it moving. Fresh chili and that 1 tomato thinly sliced. Stir, stir, stir. Really super, super delicious this is. Really, really delicious. And so, so simple. We've now got happy vegetarians and happy vegans.